welcome. Today guys, I want to share with you all a recipe that was posted to one of my recent videos, which was the coral lime video. And in that video, Riyadh and his friends, they made Chinese stewed chicken. So I'm going to try to recreate this one for you guys. So to make this, I have here chicken wings I'm using. You can use any part of the chicken that you want. And to this, we're going to go in with some salt and white pepper, some green seasoning, ginger and garlic, and you want to use fresh ginger, fresh garlic, chopped tomatoes, chopped scallions, chopped onions. I have one whole hot pepper chopped, which is a habanero pepper, and one pimento pepper chopped. I have here some Chief brand Chinese salt, and I have some JGM salt. I'm going to go in with one Maggi tomato cube. To this, I'm going to go in with some ginger soy sauce. And guys, the Chief brand Chinese salt and the ginger soy sauce, along with this garlic soy sauce, you can find it in April's Callaloo box. So make sure and go to their website, callaloobox.com. Check out what they have. They have really great essential items from Trinidad. And I'm just going to go in with a little drizzle of sesame oil. I'm just going to go in with some ketchup, or you can use tomato paste, whatever you like. And if you wanted to omit the ketchup, you can. And all you do is mix everything to combine. Once it's mixed, you cover it and allow it to marinate for minimum 1 hour. So to cook the chicken, you're going to start by putting up your pot on medium heat. And once the pot is hot, you're going to go in with some brown sugar. We're going to allow the sugar to melt, and then it will caramelize before we could add the chicken to toss it in the caramelized sugar. So as the sugar starts to melt, you want to mix in the rest just to make sure that all melts evenly, so it caramelizes evenly. Now we're just going to wait for this to bubble or froth up. Okay, once the sugar starts to froth up like this, you want it to start to turn a little brown, because we want it to have a really beautiful caramel color. You see what is happening there? That's what you want to look for, those bubbles. So now I'm going to add in the chicken. And I'm just going to spread out the chicken, and I'm going to allow it to caramelize on that chicken before I turn it. So just leave it there for about a minute or two, and then we'll turn it. Okay, now I'm going to go in and turn the chicken so that the other pieces get coated in that caramelized sugar. And this smells, as it's called, Chinese style stew chicken or Chinese stew chicken. If you've never had this before, you have to try it. I've had it before once. My mother-in-law makes it, and it's really delicious. So I'm just gonna leave this here so that the other chicken pieces get a nice caramel color. So the chicken has a really beautiful color. Now the bowl I had the chicken marinating in, I saved the seasonings and I add a little bit of water in that bowl. I'm going to add that to the chicken. And we're going to allow this chicken to cook until it's done. It may take about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, the chicken is finished. You see that beautiful caramel color it has? That's what I want. So I like this with some sauce so that I can eat it with rice. So I'm gonna dish this out, show you guys what it looks like. But all you do now is taste, make sure your salt is where you want it to be, and then this is ready to be served. So here you have it, my recipe for Chinese stew chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you make this, let me know if you do it differently. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!